Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will be writing a program for Fibonacci sequence. So what is basically Fibonacci sequence? So let's say we have two digits 0 and 1 and we have to complete the whole pattern for this. So to find the third term of this sequence we have to add these two preceding terms to find the third term. So it's 0 plus 1 would be 1, and now to find the fourth term we have to add these two preceding terms. 1 plus 1 is 2, and then for fifth term 2 plus 1 is 3, and then 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8, and so on. So we have to use for loops for this and three variables. Number 1 is variable a, which will store the digit 0, and number 2 is variable b, which will store the number 1, and number 3 is variable c, which will store the addition of these two. So let's write over here. A will store 0, b will store 1, and c will store the addition of these two variables. And then let's say we have to find the fourth term. So for that we have to make b equals to a, and this c will be equals to b, and then the c will be remain same as adding these two, a and b. So let's just open VS Code and write the program for this Fibonacci sequence. Okay, so in first line we will initialize the two variables a and b, and then we will ask the user that how many numbers they want the sequence of, and then we will check that if the number is equals to 1, then it's obviously 0. The sequence output would be 0. First term is 0. And next we will check that next in else statement we will print the first variable means a means 0 and then 1, and then we'll start a for loop starting from 1 and ending till num plus 1, and then we will initialize the c variable by adding a and b, and then we will make that a would be equals to b and b would be equals to c, and then at last we will print the variable c. So let's just run this program. Let's say we want the sequence of 9 digits. Okay, so here it is. So what is 0 plus 1? It's 1, and then 1 plus 1 would be 2. 2 plus 1 is 3, and then 3 plus 2 is 5, and then 5 plus 3 is 8, and then 8 plus 5 is 13, and then 13 plus 8 is 21, and then 13 plus 21 is 34, and then 21 plus 34 is 55. So this is how we write the code for Fibonacci sequence. So that was it for today's video.